Well, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Andy Hall, and I'm on the new listings team here at Nasdaq, and it is our pleasure to welcome Bitfarms and its Chief Executive Officer, Jeff Morphy, to close the U.S. markets for us today. I'd also like to extend a warm welcome to the members of the management team, board members, employees, and all of our distinguished guests here at Nasdaq. We're excited you could join us right here from the crossroads of the world in Times Square, New York, as we get set to ring today's closing bell. Bitfarms first listed on Nasdaq in June 2021, and we are delighted to have Bitfarms here to ring the bell as the company approaches its 3 years as a Nasdaq listed company. Congratulations. Bitfarms is listed on Nasdaq under the symbol BITF. A Nasdaq listing has provided the company with improved liquidity and increased visibility with U.S. investors. Congratulations. Bitfarms is fueling the next generation of cryptocurrency mining. Bitfarms is a global operation powered by entrepreneurial leaders and advanced technology. The company owns, operates 11 farms, with 1 in expansion and 2 in development. Bitfarms' vision is to empower the digital financial economy with trust, transparency, and high industry standards. Jeff, we know this is a team effort, so congratulations to you, the management team, the board, and the company's employees by operating innovative, sustainable, and industrial scale bit mining operations that engage communities around the world. Nasdaq is delighted to be your partner, and we look forward in supporting Bitfarms as you continue to grow as a Nasdaq listed company. And now please join me in welcoming your CEO, Jeff Morphy, for further remarks. Jeff?
Thank you, Andy. Ladies and gentlemen, I stand before you today with an incredible announcement that marks a significant milestone in the world of technology and finance. Today, we are able to finally celebrate in person Bitfarms' 2021 listing onto the Nasdaq. In an era defined by rapid advancements in blockchain technology and cryptocurrency, Bitfarms has emerged as a trailblazer, a light of innovation, resilience, and governance. Our journey to the Nasdaq is not merely a corporate win, but a testament to the diversified power of Bitcoin. Bitfarms has demonstrated unparalleled commitment to the principles of governance, transparency, and sustainability. As part of Nasdaq, we bring a vision that extends far beyond the realm of traditional finance. The milestone signifies a convergence of traditional financial markets with the cutting-edge technologies that will shape our future. Bitfarms, with our commitment to sustainable Bitcoin mining practices and ethical business conduct, aligns seamlessly with the values upheld by Nasdaq. This moment is not just about the success of a company, it's about the promise of a decentralized future, a future where financial inclusivity knows no bounds. Bitfarms ringing the bell today highlights the growing recognition of the blockchain industry as a force to be reckoned with, and it paves the way for greater integration between traditional finance and the digital frontier. As we witness Bitfarms take this historic step, let us reflect on the incredible journey that has brought us here. Let us envision a world where financial systems are more equitable, where innovation knows no bounds, and where companies like Bitfarms could lead to the charge towards a brighter, decentralized tomorrow. Congratulations to Bitfarms on this momentous occasion, and here's to the exciting future that lies ahead on the Nasdaq stage. Thank you.
Jeff, congratulations. This is our closing bell. Crystal, I can tell that you've assembled an awesome team. We have people from Argentina, Canada, and the States here. It's the team that makes the company. You have it, from your founders to your board to your management team, really revolutionizing the Bitcoin mining space. We're glad you're here. Come back and celebrate many more milestones. Congratulations.
Thank you.